I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. Hey family, I'm back. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. Come on now. Hey family, I miss y'all. I'm back. I'm back. Boss Mom is back. How are y'all doing? I hope everyone is still having a blessed day. I know y'all is. And today, your girl Boss Mom gonna be having some baked chicken with some rice and homemade gravy and onions. Yes. Look at that. Look at that chicken. That baked chicken, baby. I'm gonna say my grace, fam, and get into it. God says some God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. About us, much effect. Give us our daily bread. Amen. Amen. Hey, family. Hey, my babies. Got that good old baked chicken in the building. Boss Mom style. You feel me? That good old baked chicken with that white rice and homemade gravy with them onions. Man. Y'all know I like my onions. Y'all know I like my onions. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about right here. With that baked chicken. Lord, I'm glad it stopped raining. I'm so happy it stopped raining. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. This is good. Why can you wait? Mm. Got me some water, family. Mm. It's the onions for me. They top it off on that white rice and that gravy. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Feel like I'm at a restaurant. Good old food. I am. I'm at Boss Mom restaurant. Boss Mom soul food. And sometimes a little seafood. I got my sweet and sour. I had to. I like this. I really do. Look at the whole chicken fell off the bone. That's all right. It's okay. Mm. 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 I was hungry. I don't eat much at work. And when I come home, it's a done deal. I'm throwing down. I forgot my napkin. Hold on, family. Napkin right here the whole time. The whole time. People be sleeping on baked chicken, but baked chicken good. Baked chicken is good. I like fried chicken too. I mean, who don't like fried chicken? Excuse me. Mmm. Man, this was so good. I ain't even lying. It was so good. I chew that chicken up. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Let me tell you something. I love to eat. Mm. Pour me some water. Water, water, baby. This good old water in the building. Ain't nothing like some cold, cold water. Everybody like cold, cold water. Excuse me. That's how you know when it's good. That's how you know when that food good. You get that good burp out. Be like, yes. Keep feeding me more. That water is cold. No, nice and full. That was good, fam. I'm done. I'm all done. I finished. I'm full and I'm back. I'm back. Hey, I'm back. Hey, I'm nice and full. I'm back. Hey, I'm nice and full. I like to have fun, family. But family, woo, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to all of my videos. And just know, Boss Mom love y'all so much.